Hi, this is Michelle Goodman and welcome to my YouTube channel, Get Your Bliss On. Today's video is going to teach you how to meditate, even as a mom with kids running around. I'm going to talk to you in this series of how to meditate. The first video here is going to be all about what you need to do to kind of have your setup in place. And I know that's so hard as moms, as entrepreneurs. We're always busy, we're always running. But listen, taking those 5 to 7 minutes a day is going to completely change your life. It's going to change your mindset, and it's going to bring you more peace and more joy, more groundedness in how you can live your life. Number one, find a place where it's quiet. Now, if you need to go into your closet, that is a bona fide perfect place to go in. Your kids rarely will look there. Go into your closet. It is a quiet space. It's got muffled by the clothes in your closet. You don't know how many moms I've worked with that have literally hidden in their closet to do my meditations. So that's tip number one. Find a quiet place. Second tip that I have for you is to get into the mindset that there is no right way, okay? So meditation is all about just getting still, even if it's for a few minutes or even a few seconds in the total of 5 to 7 minutes that you will be doing this. I know you can do that. There is no right way to do meditation, and unless you're planning on being a Buddhist monk, really don't put that much pressure on yourself because that kind of defeats the whole purpose. Suggestion number 3 is take the time to find someone that you really enjoy listening to. If you like the sound of my voice, at the end of this video, I'll have a download you can download for free. My manifestation video is probably one of my most popular ones. So find a person, take the time to actually research a person. I'm gonna list in the description below a bunch of suggestions that I have for people that I find, I'm gonna put my meditation teacher, David G. I'll put him in there for you. And also you can go to soundcloud.com. They're amazing as well. You can just search in meditations. It really is sort of the YouTube recordings for people that they do. And a lot of meditations are on there. And of course you can always YouTube search it. So find someone that you resonate with, that you like hearing their voice, the sound of their voice, maybe the background, the music that they use, or just you need that guided piece initially, because sitting there for even 5 minutes in silence usually gets frustrating for most people, and so then they quit and then they don't do it. So I strongly suggest using a guided meditation at least for the first couple of months of you learning how to incorporate and infuse meditation into your day, into your morning or evening. And then that's the other thing the fourth thing is to set aside time for you to do this. Make it a part of your schedule, make it part of your day. I choose to meditate both in the morning and in the evening. My evening meditation looks very different than my morning meditation. So in the next video, I'll explain a little bit more about that, but make sure you set aside the time for you to schedule in the meditation. So I hope this helped you, and I hope you found it valuable. The next video, I'm actually going to show you how to sit, how you need to feel, what position your body should be in, and all those good things. So we're going to talk about the body structure, the body posture in the next video, and I hope you'll join me there. Make sure to subscribe so you can be the first to know when I have my new videos out every Tuesday, and make sure to comment below so that you can say hello.